Today's topic for discussion is the concept of seed pathology. The seed pathology is concerned with the diseases of seeds or transportation of diseases through seeds. It is a very important branch of pathology. It deals with the study of all types of diseases of seeds. Most of the economically important crop plants during transportation from one region to another region through the seed, the pathogens also transported. Because the seed, the infected plant produces seeds, but that the seeds which are infected, the seeds are the carrier of the pathogenic organism. Therefore, the seeds, they carry the pathogenic organisms from one place to another. Also, the propagating materials or seed stalks also responsible to carry the inoculum potential. Okay, and the seed-borne diseases are commonly occurring during storage period if the seeds are stored in moist places. During storage period, when we store the seeds in the moist places, only most of the saprophytes grow on the seed. Initially, they grow on the seed surface. Later on, they start deterioration of the seeds. Rotting of the seeds also occurs. But the pathogenic organism, when the plant was infected by any pathogenic organism, such an infected plant produces seeds which carry the pathogenic organism inside the seed. Those are the pathogens are transported through the seeds. And if the seeds are stored during moist weather, they are deteriorated by saprophytic fungi. Okay, the seeds of infected plant carry inoculum of the pathogen from one place to another, from one state to another state. Okay, the great losses of the seeds in the developing stage and during storage occurs due to the infection of fungal pathogen. Whenever the fungus comes in contact with the seeds, that remains inside the seed tissue or remains outside the seed surface. The fungus which occur outside the seed surface, that is described as externally seed-borne fungus, and when the fungus occurs inside the seed or seed cotyledon inside the tissue of the seed, that is described as internally seed-borne pathogen. Next. And the seeds carry different types of pathogens including bacteria, bacterial pathogens, fungal pathogens, nematodes, etc. And there are reports that numerous bacterial diseases are seed-borne and they are responsible to cause heavy losses of the crop. The example is most of the species of Xanthomonas and Pseudomonas, they are carried through the seed which are responsible to heavy losses of the crop. Next. In general, even the viruses are transmitted through seed tubers, seeds, or their viroids are also transmitted from one place to another in this way. And the viruses may persist in seed for long periods so that the commercial distribution of seed-borne virus over long distance may be very effective. One of the seed pathologists, that is Falter, in 1964, he has reported that he has given a list of viral diseases which are transmitted through the seeds. And these include which diseases? Tobacco ring spot disease, lettuce mosaic disease. These are the diseases of plants caused by viruses and that are transported through the seeds. Next. Again, in case of fungal diseases, the plants played a very vital role and seed played very important role in carrying inoculum from one place to another. Many types of fungal pathogens, they are carried through the seeds. Seeds carry fungal spores or fungal hyphae inside the tissue of cotyledon or embryo or below the seed coat or externally to the seed coat. Okay, a large number of pathogens, fungal pathogens are transmitted through the seeds which are responsible for heavy losses. Again, great losses of the crop are caused from seedling stage to the harvest stage of the crop. Next. And the diseases which are carried through the seeds the pathogen which is carried through the seed and that causes a disease. A list is given here. Foot rot disease of paddy, it is caused by Fusarium moniliforme, that is carried through seed. Okay. Brown spot of rice caused by Drosera. Foot rot disease of wheat, Ustilago sagatum, form specificity. Kernel bunt disease, Neotia indica, flax spot, Eurocystis triticale. All these are the diseases which are carried through the seeds. Stripe disease of barley, Helminthosporium is the pathogen. Covered smut of oat which is caused by Ustilago. Loose smut of wheat which is caused by Ustilago nuda. Ergot disease of bajra, Claviceps species. And green ear disease of bajra, that is Sclerospora is the pathogen. Grain smut of disease, grain smut of jawar, that is sorghum, that is caused by Sphaerotheca sorgi. All these are the pathogens which are carried through the seed. Few more examples, that is red rot disease of sugarcane, that is caused by Colitotrachum falcatum. Wheat smut disease of sugarcane, late blight disease of potato, black scab disease of potato, dieback of chilies. All these diseases which are caused by different types of pathogenic fungi that are carried through the seed. Next, the flag eye leaf spot disease of tobacco, which is caused by Cercospora nicotiana, and rhizome rot of turmeric, which is caused by Pathium aphanidermatum. Rhizome rot of ginger, that is Pathium aphanidermatum. Downy mildew of PV, which is caused by Pernospora pisci. All these are the diseases and all the causal organisms which are carried through the seeds from one place to another. Next. Not only the plant pathogens, may a large number of saprophytic fungi also associated with the seed internally. Saprophytic fungi, they are responsible for several types of symptoms: seed rot, seed deterioration, that reduces the quality of the seed. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.